Hey guys, it's Serenity Doll and welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for coming back and staying with me. I know it has been, I say this every video, it's been a little while. Happy New Year, all that good stuff. I would say Merry Christmas, but it's like over the head. But thank you guys for coming back and watching my video. I'm super excited today. I don't know about you. I'm pretty sure from the title you can guess what I'm going to be doing. I'm finally going to be announcing the winner for the Saint and Sinner palette by Kat Von D. This little beauty right here. So this one is mine. Okay guys, I want to remind you this is mine, and this wrapped up one in a box and everything is yours. So this one's mine, this is yours. And yeah, so this is the look that I created with the Kat Von D Saint and Sinner palette. I did use the center side and I did this nice little like orange with like lime green and a bit of like goldish yellow. Excuse this wonky eyelash. I do say this later, but ignore that from the beginning of the video. You're gonna be like, your eyelash is falling off. It's really not. It's the eyelash itself. Like, I don't know, when they made it, it was wonky, so I just went with it. But yeah, I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys enjoy. I hope you guys keep watching. And if you guys want to see how to get this look, stay tuned. Bye. Alright guys, so since I already have my foundation on and I did my eyebrows, we are just going to get into it with the eyeshadow. So I decided to go on with the center side because I feel like it has more vibrant colors and I really want my camera to catch like that very pigmented color so you guys can see what looks you can create with the palette. So we're going to go with the center side, and I already have my colors that I wanted to pick, or wanted to do. We're going to go in with Relic, Devil, and Exodus.
I'm butchering it, so I'm gonna just stop talking and just get more into the makeup because it's not coming out right. But anyways.
We're gonna go in with Devil first. We're gonna apply this in our crease. So I'm going to be taking Devil. I'm just going to get some on my thing right here. And we're just gonna be applying this all over our crease. Or not all over our crease, but just pretty much in our crease. And yeah, so we're gonna go in. Wow, it's like super nice, like really good. Oh, and I probably forgot to mention, but I already put a primer over my eyelid, and I used the Urban Decay primer potion. I forgot exactly which one it was. I think it was the anti-aging. I really like that one only because it doesn't like peel, and I feel like the other ones get crumbly and like I just feel like they look really cakey on my lid. I don't know if that makes any sense, but the anti-aging is very creamy, so I just put that one, and yeah. And like you can pretty much use any like rounded crease brush that you prefer or that you like, that you're more comfortable with, because sometimes I feel like some brushes that maybe I'm comfortable with people don't like. So I'm just gonna say use a crease brush that you are very comfortable with. I like this rounded one right here. So we're gonna go in with this Exodus. I need to stop saying that. I'm just gonna go in with a really pretty green one. Okay, we're just gonna go in with this BH Cosmetics number 3 brush, and it's kind of like, I guess like a blend. I don't want to say it's a blending brush, it's like a kind of a crease brush, but I'm just gonna kind of go in with the neon greenish, and I'm gonna be putting it kind of like the corner of my eye right here. So we're gonna go in like this, and just the corner. Like how, and like in the middle of the lid. I'm like really packing it, so when you put this green on, just be sure to try to pack it on. Just like packing it on. And kind of like also blending at the same time just a little bit. I'm gonna go in back with my rounded crease blending brush, and I'm gonna like blend everything together. And we're gonna take a little bit of that orange Devil, and we're gonna go back in the crease a little bit just to like tense it up. Okay, now we're going to go in with Relic. We're going to go with the BH Cosmetics number 5, and we're going to go in with that Relic, that pretty gold mustard yellow. And we're going to put it in the corner and kind of like to meet halfway of our green. Back in with the little like roundish brush, the BH3 Cosmetics brush, and go back in with the green and add a little bit more right here because I feel like I don't have that much green on this side. So I'm going to tense it up a little bit and add some more green. And then I'm going to do the same here and tense it up just a little bit more. So, going in with Devil, I'm going to put this underneath my eye. I would definitely wear this to a show. I think this would be super cute at a show. I think it's just so pretty. Okay, so now that we have our eyeshadow done, it's pretty much going to be our main thing. So we are going to be adding liner. Of course, you can never not have any liner. And we're going to go in with e.l.f. Cosmetics eyeliner. This is like one of my favorite eyeliners. I usually start in with my wing. And I start out like this. And I just draw a line up. I'm gonna do my wing on the other side and then I connect afterwards. I like to just do my wings first. I don't know, that's just me. So. So we're gonna go in with mascara, and I use the Lash Sensational by Maybelline, and it's like, I love it. It's like one of my favorite ones. It's really good. The brush is pretty big. The bigger the brush, I feel like the better. So I'm gonna go in with that for my mascara, and of course, brush down. We are now going to be putting false eyelashes, of course. So I am using, this is a cream eyelash. I love these eyelashes, they're so good. The number 15 black, so these little thicker ones. We are going to be using the Duo glue, and I got this little like tubey one. It comes with like a little brush. It's like 10 times easier. And I'm just going to be applying that all over the eyelash, like so. And just wait for it to get like a little tacky. And I used to use my fingers to put it on, but I really do feel like using what are these, tweezers to put them on are easier. So okay, I'm not gonna mess with it because then they're gonna be all stupid. All right, so now we're done with all that good stuff. I'm going to finish applying the rest of my face because I had already applied my foundation. I applied my concealer and I highlighted a little bit. I probably should have waited for that, but whatever, you know. This is the finished look. Okay, this is how it looks. I think it came out pretty nice, you know. A little nice and bright and colorful, and then some lipstick in it. I think it looks really cute. I feel like you can wear this pretty much like either going out or like even if you just want to be out there. You can wear this anytime, I feel. I think it's nice. Like I would wear this during the day like casually because I would do that. But so yeah, so what you guys have all been waiting for, and I know you guys have been waiting for a while, so thank you so much for your patience. I just want to say thank you for everybody who entered the contest, who subscribed to my channel, who waited this long. I really do appreciate your patience. I'm really sorry. Shame on me. Bad. So sorry that I took forever to do this. This is how it's gonna happen. I wrote everybody's name down that had entered in the comments. So I wrote everybody's name down individually in little papers. Okay, I put it in this MAC bag. So these are names. Let me get it out real quick. These are names in my hand. There's like a couple more in here, and if you can see, there's some right there. Okay, in my hand, and everyone that had entered and left a comment, everyone's name is in this bag. Okay, so I'm going to close my eyes and I'm going to pick it, and one lucky winner will be winning the Kat Von D Saint and Sinner palette. And then I'm also going to be throwing in one little more surprise in there. I'm not going to show you guys, but I'm going to just throw it in there and basically just saying thank you for being patient and waiting. So a little extra for me taking forever. Okay, so here it goes. Let's shake it up really good. Okay. There we go. Alright. So I'm just gonna like count 5 seconds, then I'll pick. Or 10 seconds. Let's do 10 seconds.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay. Picking it. Okay. Here we go. Here's one name. Are you guys ready? So, the winner for the Kat Von D Saint and Sinner palette is... Oh, ah! Sorry, I wrapped it up, guys. Catherine Xavius. I can't even say it. Catherine Xavius. I can't say it, but Catherine, you win my Kat Von D Saint and Sinner palette. Oh my god, can you see this little thing? Thank you guys again so much for entering. Thank you guys so much for being patient. I really do appreciate your support, and hopefully it goes well from here and I get all my stuff for 2018, because we need to be a YouTube family. We need to just get this together. So yeah, so thank you guys again. Really appreciate it. Hugs and kisses. Bella's like, what? I want to bring her in, but she's just like really sleepy, so I'll bring her in next video. But thank you guys so much again. Appreciate it. Love, happiness. Yay! I love you guys. Bye.